hope you're doing so well. Today we are going to dig our potatoes. I am so excited. We are in front of the garden. I wanted to show you guys some of these gorgeous dahlias. Dahlias. Aren't they beautiful? They've been really picking up since we got a little bit cooler. Oh, so pretty. Oops, to pick that one later. But I'm excited because we put our potatoes in, I think May, but we had some that self-seeded themselves as volunteers. There must have been some potatoes in the ground and they were in a couple months early. So I'm excited to see what we get. It might be a big harvest. It might be small. They've been in there for a little bit longer than they should have. And we got our seed potatoes from, I think it's Prairie Farms. We can put on the video, but I've gotten it from the last 3 or 4 years. They are wonderful potatoes. So let's go see what we get. It's supposed to rain later tonight for about a week. We're supposed to get hurricanes and tropical storms, not us directly, but just rain from it. So I wanted to get them out because I want them dry, and it's been pretty dry, so that way we won't have to have wet potatoes trying to cure. This is our potato bed. I've let it just go to weeds because I knew I was going to dig them out. So we're just going to pull some of the weeds and then we'll start digging. And they're in a raised bed here. Most of the potato plants have died down. There's a few potato plants down there, but most of them have died down, so they're ready.